Hey guys, okay, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm so excited. I have this little package right here to open for you guys and kind of just test out the product that is in here. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm just gonna open the box because I haven't opened it. Anyways, okay, so I have this little highlighter right here. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is the Amrezy and Anastasia Beverly collab. I am so excited that I was like able to get my hands on it. Literally the fastest checkout I have ever done in my life. Like, it was crazy how fast I was able to check out. So I love the packaging. It comes with like little stars. So that's the packaging. And then like making sure it doesn't fall. Here is the actual product. I don't know if you guys can see. If I do it that way because the lights over here. And then, oh my god, it's so pretty. And here is the actual highlight. I don't know if you guys can see. How gorgeous is this, you guys? Okay, so that's the highlight. Oh my god, I can't wait. So the texture, like, it has like this little cool like graphic design. The texture is so pretty, like buttery, and it's super pigmented. So let's try it out on the hand. That's gorgeous. Oh my god. Okay, you guys see how pretty that is? Okay, I'm done. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do like one layer. Sorry, my allergies are wanting to kick in and I'm trying to fight them. So I'm gonna do one layer without Fix Plus. Actually, I'm gonna do one side of my face without Fix Plus and then the other side with Fix Plus. I'm sorry if you guys can hear my son. He's just playing on his iPad. So let's dip right in. Sorry, I don't have any lipstick on right now yet. So let's dip. So it's super pigmented. Just use some air on here. And it's going. Okay, so it is pigmented without like the Fix Plus. It has a nice that looks freaking gorgeous. Oh my god. That looks freaking amazing. I think I put a little too much on this side. Well, I always overdo it with my highlight. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god. And that's just without Fix Plus. Jesus. Okay. Okay, Amrezy, you did it, girl. Oh my god, that looks so freaking gorgeous. I overdid it a little bit because I put a I went around here, but it's okay. Okay, so the next I'm going to do it with Fix Plus. So I don't want to ruin the texture of that though. I'm just going to grab some on my brush and then wet the brush with Fix Plus. And then let's go in. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's just like, do you guys like, I'm dead. Okay. Okay, oh my gosh. You guys see how freaking like...
Mommy.
What? We just talked about how freaking bomb that looks. Oh my god. Okay, so... Whew, I can't stop staring at it. It looks so freaking good, you guys. Either way, it looks really good. It does look more intense on here because I did wet it. But... either way, honestly, wet or dry, this shit looks bomb. That's just it. It just looks so freaking good right now. I just fucking dropped it. Oh my god, you guys. I freaking dropped this right now. Thank god this shit did not break. Oh my god, I was about to have a freaking heart attack. Whew. Whoa. Okay. Go! Or give me the iPad. Go over there then. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Everything's fine. Let's wet that. Oh my god. Okay. So let's just kind of layer this a little. Okay. Cool. Whew. That was close. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit with the brush that I used to bronze up my face. Oh my god, this highlight is everything. Okay, I'm just in love with it right now. I'm in love with myself. Oh my god. Okay, alright. So that's a highlight, you guys. I can't get over it. I just can't. I cannot get over how freaking good this looks. Like, it doesn't even emphasize any texture or anything. I'm just gonna do a little bit of a close-up. So you guys can see my face looks freaking flawless right now. Okay, do you guys see how freaking bomb that is? Oh my god, I'm freaking dying right now. It looks so freaking good. Yes, I'm freaking living for it! Oh my god, you guys. Dude, I think I would have cried. I would have straight up cried if I had broken it. I don't even know what I would have done. Okay, so that's that, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. If you haven't gotten your hands on this highlight, I swear by it, you should. This is the first time I'm using it, and I swear, like, it's already become my favorite highlight. Hands down. Hands down it has. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel already, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, this is by far, oh my god, like, I'm dying right now. Just Anastasia alone has amazing highlights, but this is like beyond what they've done, and I'm just living for it. Living for it, and it's just such a gorgeous highlight. Congratulations to Anastasia. Congratulations to Amrezy. Oh my god, I'm just obsessed. I'm gonna have to order 2 more just to have backups of my backups, you know? Alright, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!